an iPhone 13-like action camera, but in a sleeker and smaller form factor. Yes, that's what Apple could consider for the growing action sports market and content creators who are always on the lookout for compact cameras capable of shooting amazing video. Could the iCam Pro concept with a triple cam setup be the catalyst to our craving for an Apple action camera? Action cameras have their own set of merits which make them the preferred choice for capturing the moment, rather than carrying bulky DSLRs or shooting with premium phones. The latter can take the photography and videography to the next level, but cannot be compared to action cameras when it comes to stabilization and wide-angle shooting prowess in high resolution and frame rates. No doubt content creators swear by the GoPro10, Insta360 and DJI Osmo Action for their versatility. If you've always wondered why Apple doesn't aspire to make an action camera, then you're not alone. Given the video shooting capabilities of the Apple iPhone Pro 13 Pro Max and predecessors as well, the Cupertino giant will logically have a good hand if such a product is developed in the future. The iCam Pro concept by Varn Anen gave us a tangible view of the possibility Apple Action will bring to the fore. Now another concept dubbed iCam Pro, yes, it's called exactly the same. Portable sports camera captures the imagination to give us even more reason to root for such a product. I hope executives at Apple are secretly reading this piece. The iCam Pro, conceptualized by Diego Valdez, is a miniaturized version of the iPhone 13, of course with a slightly different utility of documenting extreme experiences. The triple camera module setup is a detour from the convention of a single potent camera on such sports cameras. This could be a USP for a brand like Apple who will foray into a very competitive space dominated mostly by GoPro. The slimmer, more rectangular shape of the action camera will give prospect users the freedom to carry it in the pocket of their jeans without getting uncomfortable. The choice of colors and materials will also play a part in the success of iCam Pro if we happen to ever see one in real life.